Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document on your Samsung Ultra phone. First, open the PDF file you wish to sign using either the pre-installed Samsung Notes app or a preferred third-party PDF viewer. Once the document is open, navigate to the editing or markup tools available within the application. Look for an icon that resembles a pen or a signature, which will allow you to start adding your signature directly onto the document. Now, let's create your digital signature. Using your finger or the S Pen, carefully draw your signature directly onto the screen. Take your time to ensure it looks just right. After drawing, you can easily adjust the size and position of the signature to fit perfectly within the designated signing area on your document. Many applications also offer the convenient option to save your signature, making future document signing much quicker and more efficient. Once your signature is created, it's time to place it. Simply drag and drop the signature to the exact spot where it needs to be on your PDF page. Double-check its alignment and size to ensure it looks professional. After you are satisfied with the placement, confirm the signature and finalize any other edits you might have made. Finally, remember to save the modified PDF document to ensure all your changes, including your new signature, are permanently applied. Beyond the built-in tools, you can explore various third-party applications, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, which often provide more advanced signing features and customization options. If you prefer, some apps also allow you to use the Add Text feature to simply type your name as a digital signature. A crucial tip: always take a moment to review the entire signed document thoroughly before sharing or sending it to ensure everything is correct and properly placed. This helps avoid any potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.